So class, so seeding means is which team are performing well in previous matches and previous competitions. So basically the organizing committee and are giving a seed to direct enter to quarter final. Okay, so this is called a seeding. Okay, so in seeding, first point is number of team. Okay class, so number of team is 11. Okay, so this is the first step. Now second step to number of buys. Okay class, so basically we know the how to giving a buy and how to आप बाइस कैसे निकालेंगे. ओके, सो इन 11 टीम बेसिकली वी आर नो कि द नेक्स्ट लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 2 की पावर माइनस total number of team is to formula is giving to pi. Okay, so there is 11 team and next largest number of 11 is 2 की power is 16. So why, that's why we writing in 16. Okay, so 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. Okay, so total number by is 5. Okay, so this is the step number 2. Okay, so step number 3 is number of team in upper half. Okay, so total number of team in upper half. So there is a formula is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, n means number of team plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11 plus 1 is equal to 2. 12 upon 2 is equal to 16. Okay, so in upper half total number of team is 6. Okay class, so our next point is number of team is lower half. Okay, so there is n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, this is the formula to lower half team. So n minus 1 is n minus 1 upon 2 is formula. Okay, so number of team is 11 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5 teams. Okay, in lower half there is a 5 teams, in upper half there is a 6 teams. Okay class, clear? So number 6 is number of buy in lower half. Okay, so in sorry class, so number of buys in upper half. Okay, so this is formula is NB minus. Okay, every class NB minus is upon 2 is formula to giving a by 2 in upper half. Okay, in number of team in upper half and number of buys in upper half, there is a difference. Okay, in number of buys in upper half there is a plus sign and number of buys in upper half there is a minus sign. Okay, so point number 5 is number of buys in upper half, formula is NB means number of buys minus 1. Okay, upon 2. Okay, so there is a 5, number of buys are 5 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 buys. Okay, so total number of buys in upper half, there is a 2 buys in upper half and next 6 number of step is number of buys in lower half. So in lower half formula is NB plus 1. Okay class, there is a plus sign is total number of buys in upper half, sorry lower half, NB plus upon 2. Okay, so total number of buys are 5 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2. So it's equal to 3 buys. In lower half there is a 3 buys, in upper half there is a 2 buys. Okay class, so next point is number of matches. Okay, so basically you know we minus total number of teams minus 1. There is a formula, so n minus 1 number of team is presented to n minus 1. So the total number of team is 11 minus 1 2 is equal to 10 matches. Okay, so total number of matches are 10. Okay class, so step number 8 is number of rounds. Okay, so how to know कि total number of rounds are 11 teams. So basically we using the power of 2. Okay, you know basically how to give a by. So आप उसी टाइम पे भी बाइस निकाल सकते हैं. देखिए using to 5. Okay, so 2 into 2 is a 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Okay. So how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a 4 rounds in 11 teams. Okay. And now there is special things in special point is number of seed team. Okay. So total numbers teams are 14. So okay. So this is the all process to draw fixture, drawing before fixtures. Okay. So class, next we drawing the picture of. Now we draw fixture. So this is the format of drawing the picture. Okay class. So basically first we writing team rounds. Okay. So in 11 teams there are 4 rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3 and round 4. Okay. And in upper half total number of teams are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is a line of dividing to upper half and lower half. Okay. So in lower half there is a 5 teams. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is all format of drawing a picture. Okay. So now we are giving a by and series. Okay class. So first there is a 4 rounds. Okay. So first round is pre-quarter, second round is quarter, and third round is semi-final, last is final. Okay. So basically जो सीड्स टीम्स होती है वो डायरेक्ट क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में एंट्री करती हैं. Okay. So in this format or in this condition we giving a bye in seedings. Okay. So let's start. So there is a first bye and first seed team we are no. So basically we know which the first bye which team we giving. So first bye we giving and first seeding team is in lower half last number of team. Okay. This is a bye and seed team. Giving a bye and seed team. Okay. This is our bye number 1 and also giving a seeding. Okay. And now we give bye and seeding. Okay. So our number by 2 is we giving to in upper half number first team. Okay. So by 2 and CD. Okay class. So number 3 seeding and by giving in number of the first number of team. Okay. So by 3 and seeding. Okay class, there is our number 3 seeding, and now we are giving our number 4 by and seeding in upper half the number last number of team को हम fourth number by giving करेंगे. Okay. So by 4 and seeding. Okay class. So in 11 teams there are 5, total number of byes are 5. So now we are giving our last by number 4. Okay. And also see we are giving the series 4 teams. Okay. So first seeding is number 1, 2, 3 and 4. We also give a seeding and by. Okay. So number last by we are giving in lower half second last number. Okay class. So by number 5. Okay. So also we are giving total number of byes and total seedings also. Okay. So now in first round how many matches and which between teams are participating and conducting matching in first round. Okay. So first match is conducted between 2 and 3. Okay. And second match connected to 4 and 5. Okay class. And now in lower half conducting first round match 8 9. Okay class, so and also these teams are going to next round, means quarterfinals. Okay, so in round 2 we conducting the match between number 1 team and also who is the winner of in first round, number 2 and 3 also. So between these, and next round we will going to 4 or 5 winners and also the 6 number of teams. So let's move next bit. Okay, so in lower half team conducting match, so 7 number team between 8 or 9 winner team, and last match in round second they between 10 number and 11 number. Okay, so this is our round 2 matches. Okay, so also we counting the total number of matches. Okay, so first round my total number of matches 1, 2, 3. Okay class, so in first round there are 3 matches, and round 2 total number of matches 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in round 2 total number of matches are 4. Okay, so let's move round 3. Okay, so round 3 में basically round 3 4 rounders, there are semi final. So in semi final there are 2 teams, 4 teams are participating. So this is round 3 matches between this team group winner and this group winners. Okay, and now in this match, this group team winner and this group team winner is between doing match. Okay, so round 3 is complete. Okay, so let's do round 4. Okay, so this group winner team and also this group winner teams are going to in round 4 and also the final round. Okay, so they are the winner are and also known as final. Okay class, so basically this is a processing to giving a shading and bias. Okay, and also know how to draw picture. So class, I hope you all understanding about the drawing a picture, knockout tournaments about and drawing a picture with seedings. Okay class, so stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.